I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the extreme speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus iQOO 7 device. Yes friends, finally it is a video for you all in which I'll be using the 5 big games comparing both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to open these 5 big games faster. Not only that, we are trying to check the RAM management. Which phone will be able to store these 5 games in the background. That will be the clear winner. That is what I'm going to do, this kind of intense kind of testing. So recently I started to use normal games and versus the big games, but few of the users, they did specifically ask me to use only the big games. Try to select the 5 big games and try to do the speed test comparison and try to do the RAM management comparison. Then we'll be able to get to know how is the results. So it's the exact variants I'm trying to use Realme X7 Max and the iQOO 7 device. So I did turn on the external RAM. So external RAM capabilities are completely turned on. As you can see friends, external RAM is on right now. First let's do the speed reboot test. So let's start with the basic reboot test between both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. Get set go. So in case if you like this kind of content, so make sure you hit that subscribe and try to check my videos every day friends, because only few videos you will be receiving the notifications, not all the videos, because you know me, I am uploading so many videos. So try to catch up with all the videos just by checking recently uploaded videos. That will give you the clear idea. So if you are having the iQOO 7 device, try to check the recently uploaded videos in the iQOO 7, and if you have the Realme X7 Max, try to follow the recent videos. That will be really interesting to know. The first phone to turn on is the iQOO 7 device. So these are the recently uploaded videos. Just now I did a speed test comparison with the Realme X7 Pro as well. So make sure to check that video. So first, iQOO 7 did turn on first. Let me try to quickly unlock the device, both phones. So I'm trying to unlock it. And right now, yes, done. Let me try to open the 5 games and keep it ready for you all. So it's the 5 games which are ready right now. As you can see friends, completed. Let me to clear all the background. So there is no background applications and games right now running in both phones. As you can clearly see friends, there's no background data, nothing. So one thing, let me try to quickly, as you can see, one thing, let me show you the RAM, how much RAM is available. I forgot to clearly mention, show you. Let me try to go back. I don't know, I'm taking a lot of time, but still. So as you can see, out of 8 GB, 4.53 GB is available. But in this, out of 11 GB, so 8 plus 3, out of 11 GB, I think only 3 is used, so remaining 8 GB is available. So 8 GB RAM is available in this phone, and 4.53 GB RAM is available in this Realme X7 Max. So I just thought of showing you before everything. So now let's start with the first game, which is a Genshin Impact. Let's see friends, which phone will be able to open the Genshin Impact game first. So, and one more thing, I did not use any kind of game space, no ultra game mode during this time of testing. Yes, so there is no ultra game mode, there is no game space, because if you try to use the ultra game mode and game space, they'll try to clear the background games and you won't know any kind of RAM management. The first phone to turn on is a Realme X7 Max, the Dimensity 1200 processor. So it did respond faster, but let's see which phone will be loading a little bit kind of quicker. So basically we are comparing the speed test and slightly about the RAM management. So it's more about the RAM management, which phone was able to handle this kind of 5 games in the background. So once the game opens, I'll try to go back to the main menu. That is what I'm waiting exactly for the main screen to come. So first it's getting loaded in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, it's got more loaded. So first it got loaded in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, first time. As you can see, both phones completely good. Let me go back to the main screen and let's try the next game, which is a BGMI game. So these are the 5 games which are recommended friends by most of the users. That is the reason I did select only these 5 games. So first the iQOO 7 did respond and it is opening quickly. As you can see, the first phone to open is the iQOO 7 device. And let me try to go back, yes, and the Realme X7 Max is still loading up, yep. And let me try to keep this main screen completely done. And now let's move to the next game, which is Asphalt 9. Let's see the Asphalt 9, which phone can open faster. So 2 times the Genshin Impact game and the BGMI game both did open faster and quicker in the iQOO 7 device. So in terms of the speed test also, will give some points to the mobile phones which are actually doing the very good job. So now let's see, the first phone to open is the iQOO 7. As you can see friends clearly, iQOO 7 phone did open first. That's a good thing. So next is Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty, friends. So in my plenty of speed test comparison, one thing I did find out that RAM management is really great in the iQOO 7 device, maybe because of the external RAM. I think that is what doing all this kind of magic in this phone. So it's not a gimmick. In the beginning I did thought that it's kind of gimmick, so which may not be useful, but it's kind of really useful. So first phone to open is the iQOO 7 as well, even in this kind of game, Call of Duty. So now let me to close everything and let me to go back to the home screen. So final game, which is a PUBG game. Let's see the PUBG game, which phone can open actually faster. So I do know I'm running the live wallpaper in the background. I'm not sure that will be affecting any kind of performance or not. So but both phones are running the live wallpaper, not only one phone. That is also kind of intense kind of testing as a plan to do. So first phone, I think the Realme X7 Max did open, I think so. So now we got the 5 games open in the background. That's fantastic, friends. Wow, that's very good to see. 5 big games open in the completely in the background. So there's one settings application open, but still, so 5 games as you can see. Exactly. So now let's start one by one. Let's start with the PUBG. Obviously PUBG will be opening, no issues. Let's start with the next game. Sorry for that, friends, I did try to close it, but I try to open the game in the background as well. So next is a Call of Duty. So let me to open from the direct from the home screen. This will be really easy for me, so that's good, no problem. Next is the Asphalt 9. Both phones did perform really great, no problem. Next is a BGMI. Both phones BGMI did open, no issues as you can see. So next is Genshin Impact. So now let's see, friends, Genshin Impact, which phone will be the winner. That is what the clear idea is of me doing. This is the final test. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I think both phones are kind of slightly reloading. Complete Genshin Impact, as you can see, friends, both phones. Even though the Realme X7 Max I did see, but that's not the case. No. So both phones are completely reloading, and the first got reloaded in the Realme X7 Max. As you can see, friends, clearly first. So right now the data is preparing again. That's kind of good. It's kind of unexpected. Now let me try to go back, and again I'll try to do the random kind of testing. So it is a random test which I'm going to do on all the 5 games. So let's start. Once this game opens, I'll try to do the random test. So all the 5 games will be open again. Yes. So now let me try to go back, and same thing. All 5 games are open, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let's see the PUBG game coming from the first. Perfect. And Genshin Impact is there. So and Call of Duty, yes, no problem. Asphalt 9, yes, no problem. And Genshin Impact, yes, it's present. BGMI, same page. I think in this kind of 5 games, both phones are kind of equal. So maybe I need to increase the dose, I think so. Maybe I should increase maybe 7 or 8 games, big games. Maybe I need to plan in the next video. But overall, friends, this is a quick review between the both phones, and both phones were able to perform the same way. But now let's check how much RAM is available in this phone. That is what the matters. Let me try to quickly show you the RAM management, and let me try to go to the RAM, and let's show the RAM. Yep. So before it was close to 3 GB, but now it's 3.78 GB. I'm not sure how much RAM is used for this kind of big games, but in the Realme X7 Max, you can see 1.67 GB is available. That means these 5 games are utilized already the 3 GB of RAM available. As you can see, showing clearly, only 1.67 GB is available. But in this phone, in the iQOO 7 device, I did not see much change, to be honest. As you can see, even after opening all these kind of games in the background, all the games are open, but still I did not see much change. It's only showing 3.86 GB is used. Before it was 3 point something and 2.94 something. So it's kind of really strange, but let me try to clear everything. Let's see after clearing what will be the total RAM availability. And I cleared everything, and right now the RAM availability is about 4.88 GB, as you can see. And let me try to show you exactly here. 2.68 GB is used, as you can see, friends. So overall 1.5 GB of RAM I think got cleared in this phone. In this phone overall 3 GB of RAM is cleared. So this is a quick speed test and the RAM management comparison between both phones, and thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.